2 minutes to go. $14.58 currently. Well, $2.58 if it's in normal clock. Of course, for those foreign nationals that don't know about it, the UK is getting a UK-wide emergency alert test for some weird reason. I'm not going to say why, I think, in case any there's misinformation. You know what I mean? Given the current situation across the world. 1 minute to go. It could either go off in a minute or any second now, I don't know. Hence the reason why I started recording at 5:02 or 2:55 as it's known in America, I think. Sorry about that. Wait. Why am I not getting it? Why am I not getting it? Huh? What the fuck? Huh? What was that? Oh, there we go.